And we're back to learning Photoshop, and this time I'm going to show you how you can create your own preset to enhance colors in Photoshop quickly. It's easy to do once we've saved the preset. Let us just start with the original right here. I'll copy that, pressing Ctrl J, and now I'll open an adjustment layer, selective color. I'm going to use the default, and we're going to go over all of the colors that we need. The first one is red. For the red one, you have to go down with the cyan to make red pop. For the yellow, it's easy. We've got yellow, so just increase it to make that one pop. The greens, we need to go down with magenta. The cyan, once again, it's easy. We'll just increase that. And for the blue, we'll have to go down with the yellows. And this is basically it. You can see the difference. And you can now use the opacity up here for this selective color adjustment layer to adjust the intensity of the effect. If you even want to enhance the colors more and you are already at 100% opacity, you can press Ctrl J on the adjustment layer to copy that, and it will give you an even more intense effect. And then you can adjust the opacity for the second adjustment layer, once again up here. But I'm going to stick to one adjustment layer, and now we're going to save this preset. We need the properties menu for that, for this selective color adjustment layer. So if you can't see it, just go to Window and click on it, and then click on Save Selective Color Preset, and you can just type in a name that makes you easily remember what you've done here. I'll just use Enhanced Color with Selective Color Saturation, and it's in my folder for Photoshop. Afterwards, just click on Save. I've already done that, so I'll cancel. And now it's right here in the presets. So let me delete the selective color adjustment layer, and I'll simply open a new one which doesn't have this adjustment. And now I go to the presets and I select the enhanced color preset right here. And this is how you can easily create your own preset to enhance colors in Adobe Photoshop with only one click. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.